Namaskar. The physical world is a product of polarities, masculine and feminine, yin and yang, Ida Pingala, Shiva Shakti, right brain or left brain, or whatever you may want to call them. The longing to find union of polarities is finding expression through ambition, conquest, love, sex and yoga. Yoga means union. Simplest form of yoga is to put your hands together in Namaskar. Namaskar brings harmony between two polarities within. Put your hands together in Namaskar and look upon someone or something with loving attention. In 3 to 5 minutes, you will begin to harmonize. Namaskar yourself into peace. Namaskar yourself into love. Namaskar yourself into union. Know the union of yoga on this International Yoga Day. Let us put our hands together and unite the world. May you unfold your being with folded hands.